Hi children, how are you? Welcome back to this session. Myself, I am Juluri Purushottam Gaud, School Assistant Mathematics, ZPHS Alir, Mandal Nelikudru, District Mahabad. Children, for this session, we are going to discuss a new topic, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay? Before this discussion, we have to remember, you must remember, not only this topic, for any topic, you have to remember three things. They are, why should we learn this topic first of all? And what should we learn? Then after, how can we learn? If we analyze these three questions, these three queries, we need keep interest on that topic. We put perfect concentration on that topic. Then only we acquire perfect knowledge on that topic. Then we create wonders on that topic. We can be able to create different type of problems and their solutions also. If you watch complete this video, then only you can find the concept really easy. Okay, we have to discuss about this topic. Children, here, what is meant by linear equation in two variables? Okay, first of all, we have to discuss about, we can recall our previous knowledge, then we can easily understand. Okay children, first what I am doing, we assume one example. Suppose if a boy went to a shop to buy one notebook and a pen. He paid 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. This is a verbal information. What we did, Nana? One boy went to a shop. He buy one book and a pen. He paid 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. This verbal information we have to convert into mathematical sentence, mathematical equation, which is an open sentence. So, how can we convert this verbal information as a mathematical statement? This is clearly one of the verbal information. A boy went to a shop. He buy one notebook and one pen. He bought one notebook and one pen. He paid as 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. This is clearly verbal information. This verbal information we have to convert into mathematical sentence, like a mathematical equation. How? Once we check now. See here, I am taking as the boy went to a shop and he bought one notebook and one pen. So that I don't know the cost of book, that's why let the cost of one book, that is equal to, I am assuming as x rupees, which is a variable. I am using one variable, unknown quantity. Variable meaning is we treated as a letter for unknown quantity. That is, I am taking as x. And the cost of one notebook, book is finished, one pen is equal to y rupees. So he paid total amount paid to shopkeeper is 50 rupees. He paid to the shopkeeper 50 rupees. This one verbal situation we have to write in mathematical equation. How means x rupees plus y rupees is equal to 50 rupees. X rupees means cost of books, y rupees means cost of pen. A total is equal to 50 rupees. This is one of the situation. And we are going to create another situation. Another boy went to shop. He bought two bats, three balls. Two bats, three balls, and he paid 500 rupees to the shopkeeper. I don't know the cost of one ball. Sir, let the cost of a bat or one bat. One bat cost I am taking as X rupees, and the cost of one ball is equal to Y rupees. But he bought how many bats? No, two bats. The cost of two bats, that is equal to one bat cost is X rupees. Two bats cost is equal to 2x, and the cost of three balls. Okay, three balls means one ball cost is equal to Y rupees. Three balls cost is equal to 3Y rupees. That is 3Y. Is it clear now? So total amount, how much paid, sir? Total amount he paid as is how much? 500 rupees he paid. Total amount paid 500 rupees. So this verbal information we have to convert into mathematical sentence. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 500. Is it clear for all? Next, I'll go through another example. That is, the boy went to the shop. One boy went to the shop. Another third boy went to the shop. He bought 3 apples, 5 oranges. 3 apples, 5 oranges. He paid as 100 rupees to the shopkeeper. Here, so this verbal information I am writing as, let a cost of an apple is equal to X rupees, and the cost of an orange. So that is equal to Y rupees I am taking. So here I purchased, here that boy purchased 3 apples. The cost of 3 apples is equal to 3x. Each apple cost X rupees. Here 3 apples, 3x. Then the cost of 4 oranges. That 4 oranges cost is, 5 oranges cost is equal to 5y. Total amount paid. How much amount paid? 100 rupees. So this verbal situation we have to convert into mathematical equation. How means 3 apples cost is 3x plus 5 oranges cost is 5y. Total he paid as 100 rupees. Okay. See, these 3 verbal information I am converted as mathematical sentences. Once we analyze about these 3, yeah, first one, here we got x plus y is equal to 50. Means what we understood, it is one of the equation. This is one of the equation. This is one of the equation. We are using equality symbol. That's why these 3 are equations. Clear? Next, here the degree of these equations, for every x or y, power is exponent is 1. That's why this is linear equation. Check all the equations. Linear equations. For every equation, we are using 2 variables. X, y. X, y means unknown quantities. 2 unknown quantities. Here, in the first unknown quantity, book and pen cost is unknown quantities. And the second situation, one bad cost, one ball cost. Here only two unknown quantities. In that, one apple cost, one orange cost. There are also two unknown quantities. Means these unknown quantities we are assumed as x and y. Means two variables. So that such type of equations we call as linear equation in two variables. Linear means the degree is 1, equation means equality symbol used, and two variables means we are using two unknown quantities. This is called the linear equation in two variables. For our convenience, we have to say a general form. Instead of these coefficients, these constant numbers, we have to take like it A, B, C. Okay, we have to take, instead of this 2, 3, 500, we have to take AX. Instead of 3, we take as BY. Okay, 500 shift this side, minus 500. Instead of minus 500, I am taking C. That is equal to 0. This is called the general form of linear equation in two variables. Here two variables are x and y. We treat it as unknown quantities. They are called the variables. This is called the linear equation in two variables. Have you understand clearly now? Right. Next.